taxi to runway 27.
So, we are seeing the Dave Coulier tomorrow night, and then on Saturday night we're gonna see both of the Elvis tributes, and then on...
No.
Excuse me?
No. Stan was right.
Flight attendants, please prepare for
Stan
departure.
was right.
Hey, Kirk!
Yeah, I'm not going to Branson with you people. You're my family, and I love you. But really, with the exception of Mom, you're all a bunch of blood-sucking vampires who never support anything I do. I'm going to go find Molly and show her that I am good enough. So, fuck you, Debbie. Fuck you, Dylan. Fuck you, Dad. Fuck you, businessman. I'm sorry. And most of all, fuck you, Marnie. Yep. You never deserved me in the first place. You evil little dwarf. So fuck you all! Yep.
Sir, you need to take your seat. We're pushing back.
I don't know if you just heard my speech, but I need to get off this plane.
Well, if I reopen that cabin door, that's a $25,000 fine for you.
25.
What do you want to do?
Is there another seat I could take?
We're full. Now take your seat and buckle up.
Yep.
Cabin crew, lock doors and cross-check.
Gonna be a long flight, eh, pirate?